Hey friends, I am here today to tell you about a product that might help some of you if you're struggling with the wig wearing journey. Either your wigs are too big on you and you're looking for something to help with that, or you have a lot of hair that you're trying to tuck underneath a wig, or your head gets really irritated by the inside of a wig. For any one of those reasons, or just because you like to wear a wig cap and a grip, the Milano Grip Cap could be for you. If you want to know more about this, let's talk about it. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I get messages frequently about issues with wearing wigs, whether it be I have a lot of hair, I'm having trouble containing it, I don't like those nylon kind of pantyhose type wig grips because they don't sit securely and they kind of roll up. Or a lot of people just get really irritated by the cap features on some wigs, whether it be really itchy lace underneath the wig or wefting that's irritating. And this grip cap kind of solves all of those problems. So this has a Velcro adjuster, just like a wig grip, so that you can adjust the size around your head. And then this material right here is super, let me make sure it's the right side, super soft. Bamboo cotton-like material. It's stretchy and it's super soft, like a super soft t-shirt. So there's nothing to irritate your head on the top of this cap. So all you have to do is put it on your head, and then you can adjust it in the back just like a normal wig grip, and just situate it wherever is the most comfortable for you. This does have a lace part, so you can put this part wherever the part on your wig is, and you don't have to worry about seeing through the cap to the grip or the cap. And it's got lace on the front, so if you struggle with wig grips kind of showing a little bit on your lace fronts, this has lace right there to help with that. And then all you have to do is put your wig on and you're good to go. Just adjust it by the ear tabs. Now this wig has a transition line right there. That's kind of common with lace fronts and full mono tops. You're not seeing the cap through, you're seeing that transition. I just dab a little face powder on that and that will blur it just fine. This wig is 𝘠𝘬 by 𝘠𝑦𝑛𝑤igs. It's more of a budget-friendly human hair wig. And now I'm good to go. This is gonna hold my wig super securely. It is not going anywhere. This wig is not gonna come off. I don't need to use adhesive. I don't have to worry about it slipping throughout the day. It is perfect. It's the best of both worlds, a cap and a wig grip. Now there are tons of wig grips on the market. You can just get a plain wig grip if you don't want a cap. They make wig grips with no lace, wig grips with lace, wig grips with lace on the front. I have talked about wig grips in other videos, but I really wanted to bring you this Milano Grip Cap if you've been struggling. I purchased mine on Amazon. They also have it in a chocolate brown color. So depending on the color of hair you wear, if you want the cap to match a little bit the hair that you're wearing, then you can get a brown one. You can get both, whatever you would like. Now I do get some extra cap back here. So if I don't cinch this in super, super tight, it is going to be loose on me. I have a 21¼ circumference, and when I tighten it as far as I can, then it sits really securely and it's not loose. I do get a little bit of extra cap up here, nothing excessive, but I do have petite over the top of my head, so I can wear this comfortably, even though I have a small head measurement. But I do think this is going to fit a wide range of head sizes, and because it's got that extra material here, if you have a lot of hair that you're tucking underneath your wig, this is going to give you room for that and give you really secure that hair for you. So I will link below this product on Amazon if you want to go check it out. And you can buy it from the Milano website as well. But really, honestly, if you've been struggling with wigs irritating your head, try this, because now you don't have to wear a cap and a wig grip at the same time. And again, you can get it in brown or this light color. And this is a soft velvety material that is meant to hold your wig on. It creates a little bit of friction, so that's the benefit of a wig grip. Grip cap, great option. hopefully it will help if you've been looking for something to solve your wig wearing problems. Have a good day, you guys.
Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.